panoorin nyo to guys, yung part 1 ng 25 year anniversary ng The Job Site. Pag hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, pag-subscribe na lang ang aking YouTube channel, The Ray Vlog, para updated kayo sa mga susunod na
sana
video.
maiparating po
panoorin nyo to guys
Sir
hanggang matapos
Edward
para
we look up to him.
makita nyo at mapanood nyo kung yung mga ginawa namin dito. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, sir. Kung nasan ka man ngayon, nasa Quezon City, maraming salamat po. Thank you, Sir Edward. Si Sir Wilbert ay isa rin po. Sir Wilbert, may we invite you here para po sa picture. And also, Ma'am Bebs, kasama din po kayo noong mga unang panahon na yon. So, wag nyo na lang tignan din ang aming mga edad. Okay. May also call Sir Bong Bautista, my husband, para po kami ang mga Beth Solis and Bong Buse. Kami po ang mga original. No, wala pa.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Brent Oil Corporation. Thank you very much. All right, so again, thank you very much to the management and leaders of the Job Site General Services Incorporated for awarding that gift of appreciation to Brent Oil Corporation. So before I introduce the next part of our program,
Thank you.